The second question we have for the 2023 JAM past question is from probability. A bag contains 8 red balls and some white balls. The number of white balls is not indicated. So if the probability of drawing a white ball is half of the probability of drawing a red ball, then find the probability of drawing a red ball and a white ball if the ball are drawn without replacement. A bag contains 8 red balls and some white balls. Let's get that. Let's say the red balls is 8, the white ball is X. If the probability of drawing a white ball is half of the probability of drawing a red ball, let's start with the red ball. The total is 8 plus X, as the total number of balls will be 8 plus X. So the probability of drawing a red ball, P red, will be 8 over 8 plus X. That's the total number of red balls over the total number of balls, which includes both the white and the red ball. Then with that being done, it also says if the probability of drawing a white ball is half of the probability of drawing a red ball. So the probability of drawing a red ball is 8 over 8 plus X. So half of it, probability of drawing a white ball is half of it. That would 8 over 8 plus X times half, which is 2 here 1, 2 here 4. That would be 4 over 8 plus X. That's probability of drawing a white ball. And we know in probability, since there are two possible choices, the outcomes of probability of the red and probability of white should equal to 1. So we'll take it as probability of white plus probability of red equals 1, which is 8 over 8 plus X plus 4 over 8 plus X should equal 1. You find the LCM. 8 plus X in 8 plus X is 1. 1 times 8 is 8. 8 plus X in 8 plus X 1 times 4 is 4. So we will be having 12 over 8 plus X equals 1. You can also say 1 over 1. Then we cross multiply to make it plain math, which we can work with. So we have 12 times 8 plus X times 1 is 8 plus X. And 12 times 1 is 12. Our X will be 12 minus 8, which is 4. So an X from the beginning represents the number of white balls. So there are 4 white balls and there are 8 red balls. And the question, going back to the question, it says find the probability of drawing a red ball and then a white ball if the ball are drawn without replacement. So if they are drawn without replacement, the first ball is red, has probability red and probability white and white. So probability red and then probability white. You pick a red ball first. Red is 8 over the total, which we now know is 12, and a white ball, which is 4. Since we picked a red ball first, and it's without replacement. Once a red ball is picked, our total left will be 11 because we picked 1 out of the 12, which is a red ball. So it will now be 4. The number of white balls will still be complete. So that will be 4 over 11, which is now finally, is there anything we can cut here? 4 here 1, 4 here 3. Our final answer is 8 over 33, which is our final answer. and which is scrolling back up, which is D.